Good day everyone. Today, we explore about aerodynamics. But first, what is aerodynamics? It is one branch of physics studying how objects interact with air. Whenever a vehicle moves, it fights a physical resistance known as aerodynamic drag. Understanding this is a crucial because poor aerodynamic leads to high energy consumption and unlocks maximum speed and efficiency.
Biomimicry ang group with bullet trains still are masterpiece of biomimicry. Unlike airplanes in the air, these trains travel near ground and pierce narrow tunnels. When air pressure is extreme, engineers took to making model the train elongated pointed nose after the Kingfisher beak, allowing it to transition smoothly between different air and pressure.
We made a 3D or physical model for a bullet train. By this design, it shows a pointed nose that allows it to pierce through a wall of air that builds up by the speed of its travel time or movement. And also, in the drag equation, this design directly tackles the physics of fluid resistance. According to the drag equation, uh, this design tackles the physics because velocity is squared. Doubling the speed quadruples the drag force by reducing the drag coefficient and the frontal area with a streamlined nose and smooth undercarriage. The bullet train easily exceeds into a 300 kilometers per hour using minimal power. So that's how fast it can go by this model or by these designs.
Dynamics also solves environmental challenges. Traditional flat front trains compress air inside tunnels like a prison, creating a powerful shockwave known as the tunnel boom. The Kingfisher-inspired nose gradually displaces air, eliminating the boom. Furthermore, the curved body manages crosswinds, ensuring lateral stability so train stays firmly on the track.
In conclusion, our project highlights that aerodynamic is a perfect balance of speed, safety, and efficiency. It proves that science and design work together, taking inspiration from nature to revolutionize modern human travel, making it faster, quieter, and greener. And thank you.